Hey, I'm Vlad with The Verge here at MWC 2018, and in front of me is a stack of new Chromebooks from Lenovo. First of all, there's the Lenovo 100E Chromebook, which is $219. Then there's the Lenovo 300E Chromebook, which is $279. And finally, there's a Lenovo 500E Chromebook, which is $349. So all of these are super affordable, and just looking at them, they're big and chunky and kind of hard to distinguish just from the outside. But there are pretty cool features on the inside which make them stand out and actually make me excited. I didn't anticipate that I'd be getting excited about Chromebooks here at MWC, which is traditionally a phone show. So the 100E is the entry-level model, and it has the basic features across this entire series, which is that it's designed to be used and abused in schools. It has a spill-proof keyboard, it has a pry-proof keyboard so you can't tear it open. It has a drop-resistant design up to 30 inches. Which I'm European, I don't know exactly what that means, but it makes for really rugged and solid laptops. One thing I really enjoyed about all three of these laptops is also the keyboard. It's an 11.6-inch screen on the inside, and there's just a really beautiful keyboard in there with lots of key travel. So all of these things are great, but the 100 has a really terrible screen. It has really awful viewing angles, so I wouldn't recommend it. I would step up to the 300, A, for the better display, B, for the fact that it also flips out in a yoga style hinge, which is kind of a Lenovo signature, and C, you can take notes with a pencil, and I literally mean a HB pencil. It's been designed to be used with a regular pencil. It doesn't leave any marks on the screen. It's really cool, really convenient, and again, with the application, the intended application for schools, it fits in really nicely. You'll be using this pencil in school. Another difference between the 100E and the 300E is that you have a MediaTek processor in the 300, Intel Celeron in the 100, and the 300 also has a full SD card slot, whereas the 100 and the 500 make do with a micro SD. So the 500E, just like the 300E, is designed to take notes on with a pen, but it comes with its own stylus, and the experience of actually using it is significantly better. So the difference is you can't use a regular pencil to take notes on this laptop, but it is pretty much lag-free. So it tracks you perfectly as you go along. There is almost no delay. There's always some delay, but there's almost no delay between the line showing up on the screen and the stylus and the gesture on the screen. There's plenty of lag on the 300, and the 300 also doesn't have palm rejection, which the 500E does. So I've been playing around with it here at MWC, and I've loved it, like doodling, taking notes and everything else. And I don't really love the screens on any of these laptops, but it's perfectly fine to do that kind of note-taking and just messing around with, which, you know, given the price, is really nice. I do also want to return to the keyboard, which is just so much key travel, and it's just such a pleasure to type on. As I say, MWC is usually a phone show. We're not used to looking at a whole bunch of laptops, and especially not Chromebooks of this size and design. I mean, these are really chunky and not the most attractive things in the world. But I think that Lenovo has gotten the basics and the fundamentals down really well with these devices, and given their affordable prices, they're just super attractive. Lenovo has got USB-C charging across all of these, so it's standardized, it's compatible with most of your other devices. You got expansion of storage, you got regular USB ports, all of the ports are reinforced, the design is reinforced. The 300 and 500 have this flipping hinge, which is also reinforced. So you get plenty for your money. Now, in terms of availability, the 100E will be available in March, and the 300E and the 500E are going to be available pretty much straight away directly from Lenovo. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to The Verge and tune in to TheVerge.com.